In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install PWA food delivery system and WhatsApp menu ordering with admin panel, restaurant POS. Let's look at some of the properties of this script. FoodAppi revolutionizes food delivery with its progressive web application, that's PWA interface, enabling admin to receive orders via WhatsApp. Its robust admin panel streamlines restaurant management and enhances efficiency. Integrated POS offers a comprehensive solution for food and restaurant businesses, promising convenience and effectiveness. Let's look at the demo. How the site is going to look like after being installed. Look at it. Look at how it's going to look like. And this is the admin panel, which I can click and see how it looks like as well. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the link in the description to engage me to help you install or customize your script. So look at how it looks like. So now, after purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. Here's my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. For your script installation or your script customization, or you want to create your web application project from scratch, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you for those purposes. So now I go to the subdomain I'm using for these testing purposes. So I've already uploaded my script. Then next I'm going to extract it. Extract files. Okay, so I click on close. Now I have successfully uploaded my script to my file manager. Let me copy my subdomain name, open a new tab, paste it there, enter. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Next, I click on check requirements. This requirement I meant, click on check permissions. So I'll go to storage framework. I change it to 775, storage log 775. So storage, here is it, open it. Framework, I'll change it to 775. Save. Logs, I'll change it to 775. Save. So next, let me go back to C. Framework logs. Next, bootstrap cache. So I click on the up one level. Bootstrap, I click or I open it. Cache, I'll change it to 775. Let me go back to my site again. This time around I'm going to refresh it. Everything is now set. So I click on license setup, site setup. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's say food. Let me just say food. Okay. My site URL. That's my site URL. So next I click on database setup. So this time around I'm going to back to my cPanel, then to my database to create my database. In my cPanel, database is MySQL database. So let me name my database as as this. Then I click on create database. I have successfully created my database. So next I click on go back. After creating my database, what next? I'm going to create my database username. Don't forget, for your script installation or script customization, use the engagement link in the description to help you install your scripts. So next I want to create my database username. Yeah. So I name that my name of my database username. Then next I click on create user. I have successfully created my database username. So next I click on go back. After creating my database name and database username, next I'm going to add my user to my database. Yes, I select the one I just created. Then next I click on add. I give up privileges, then scroll down to make changes. As you can see, I have successfully added my username to my database. So next, let me copy my database username. I go back to my site. So database name. That's my database name. This is my username. I click on final setup. As you can see, look at the email sample admin@example.com. So I will save this information, then I click on finish. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to support me. And also for your script installation or your script customization, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install or customize your script. As you can see, here is it. Here is I have successfully installed it. Let me go to my dashboard. As you can see, look at this dashboard. I have successfully installed it. Look at the sample I showed you the other time. How it's going to look like. Have you seen? Here is the sample. Okay, when I log in, you're going to see it. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, admin panel. As you can see, they are the same. So this is my dashboard. So here, when I come here, I see my admin. So if I'm going to log in, but no worry for that. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. To install your script or customize your script, use the engage me link in the description to engage me. Thank you.